Man, my boy got it. My boy got a little, you know what I'm saying, a little addition to the car, man, a little wrap. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. It look harder though. Like it's something simple, it ain't too crazy, but it look good though, man. And for all the people that joined the video, you know what I'm saying, welcome to the family. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Browse going up all 2020, 2021, 2022, so on and so forth, man. Trying to get to that 1,000, roll to 1K. Y'all help me get there. Your boy passed 500, so we finna get it. Don't worry about my hair, you know what I'm saying? Look a little crazy, but I'm finna show y'all my boy car, man. It must clean. One of the cleanest RTs around, dog. No cap. I'm finna show y'all, boy, what them talking about, man. And let's get it. That mud clean, though. What's up? Hey, it look better than I thought it would. It look good.
It looks real good.
I didn't know he was gonna put the red on the side. I like that. It's like a whole nother car now.
Yeah.
He told me he on the way. I ain't all gonna beat him here. I thought he was gonna be here already, but that little hard. Dang, he make me want to, man.
It's good, man. It looks good, don't it?
They do, cause I like simple stuff that can make the car look a whole lot better. Cause I was thinking about putting some rally stripes on mine, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I like it though.
I ain't gotta do it.
I like it though, man. Clean. Ain't that more hard, boy. I like that. Yeah, that's not hard. Ain't gonna lie. Simple and clean, man. Ooh. Y'all see my boy, man. He got a whole lot of detail, man. He got a whole lot of details to his whip, man. He got a whole lot of detail, man. But they got good quality though, man. Look at that, man. The boy got good quality, man. Yeah, I like that. You know what I'm saying? You pay for what you get, man. You know what I'm saying? Sunroof. More hard, man. More hard. Yeah, man. I like that. I'm more clean. Clean, bro. Think about it, bro. It be hard, ain't it? That more hard, ain't it? That more hard, ain't it? But ooh. Hey, I sent Mills a picture. He sent back a bunch of heart emojis to my that more hard. Yeah. I'm like a grown man with a hat off. That mud clean though, boy. I ain't gonna lie, that mud clean, boy. You picked the right. What made you want to pick red and black? Just because?
Yeah.
I ain't think about it because like they're red and black. Ooh.
All the songs came out straight though.
Oh, there you go, right there. With his rap. He got an RTB, you got the other body style. Ooh.
That just look good too.
Yeah, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I was looking for though. They did pretty good though. I ain't opened the trunk on them. They did pretty good though. Like
Shit open.
yeah, they let the door unlock. Man.
That shit there kinda got
Yeah. But then overall though, like them, you know what I'm saying? And they got a camera too. Ooh. I know. Come on, came in quick. Yeah, I thought, Robert, when I first saw it, I thought he was catalytic converter, bro.
Yeah, that ain't no cats.
You know what I'm saying? They look like cat. This is the size of what a cat look like. Ooh. Time to get that thing talking. Boy came out fresh. Yeah, man. That was clean, ain't it? Yeah, that was clean, dog. My boy Charles, man.
What's up, bro? TJ. What's going on, bro?
Yeah, I want to get them. I'm trying to get them off of him, bro. I'm going to get the black one, man. Let me, you know what I'm saying? Man, bro. God. I'm going to ask some Muffler shot then. He told me he normally order it, but that mug clean. I like the color concept, though. It's not clean. He got the front plate.
Well, not the hood, but
Talking about the grill?
Yeah.
Yeah, he the king of ordering junk. But he order all that. It ain't come like that.
Okay.
It look just like mine. Look. That's
You know
about
what
the
I'm saying?
scat pack, man. But you get most of your stuff from Amazon, don't you? Or somewhat. You got that from Amazon too? That nigga the research king was coming out of buying junk, boy.
I want to put this type of
$100? $100?
You got from Amazon?
eBay. Yeah.
I might put it.
I had to, boy. That must look different when they watch though. It look a little better when you watch it. And there was a little tie shine, you know. That's all. It look different on camera. See how I'm looking at it now, bro? It look like the blue like this in the sky. But it ain't that color blue for real. I'm gonna clean. See, that's something simple I want to do. But I'm waiting.
You know it's fresh.
Know what I'm saying? Yeah, that sunroof. Yeah, know what I'm saying? That sunroof is hard though. But I don't really care for sunroof though. But I mean, if I had one, I'd take it. But I don't gotta have one. Yeah, he got it. He love that luxury, but he gotta have one. That nigga. I think every car you had a sunroof, didn't it?
I mean, it's the Fusion, bro. See, you got a Fusion.
Oh yeah, he had it, but he had a button. This Fusion he got, them fully loaded platinum edition Fusion. That mother so hard. You got it. Oh yeah. I told Charles he might make him a little social media song, TikTok song. How much you putting on your car, boy? Oh, Miz said he like that man going crazy. Bro, you seen it, bro? They camera, I just bought that camera, Charles, bro.
I heard it, but
bro, they camera hard.
Bro, he got a YouTube or something?
No, he got an Instagram. Hey,
Instagram name?
Yeah, something like that, but it's spelled different. But yeah, Military. Yeah,
oh, he got the Nike shit or something?
Yeah, them all hard. Yeah, them all fire. Yeah, man, we out here riding. Some my boy TJ, my boy Charles, man. We out there cruising. These folks want to get in my damn way, man. Sorry about the camera shaking, man. I ain't got that much. I don't know. Y'all probably can't even tell, but yeah, man. Finna go to the muffler shop, man. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all some of that little highway action, man. And my boy TJ, man. Subscribe to YouTube. That guy TJ, man. It's on the back, but y'all probably ain't see it. So ain't close enough, but yeah, man. I finally get a little footage in the city, man. You know what I'm saying? With my boy, man. It been hard, but that rap crazy, though. That rap crazy. My boy Charles, y'all seen the beginning of the video. He got his he just got his stripes put on. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna get back behind these boys. Ain't no need. We out here riding, though, man. Damn, I hit that camera shaking. I hope it don't show that bad. That's on the video. Okay, like my phone. I think my phone just shaking, but the camera ain't. It got like a little mobilizer or something like that. But yeah, man, just give y'all a little highway footage, man. A little, a little something, man. And my man, that TJ car, bro, is so loud, bro. Well, y'all heard the car before a long time ago. Y'all don't remember that car? That car stupid loud, man. Let's see how we trying to ride in sequence. They supposed to be following me, you know what I'm saying? They supposed to be following me, but they want to get in front of me. I think old boy done he put the address in. What's up with my camera thing, bro? Why I keep... My bad, I'm so sorry, bro, about that footage, man. I don't know what's going on. Them acting like they don't want to stay up. But you know, man, had to get y'all a little footage. It been a long time since I did it, man. Besides when I went to Atlanta, but in Texas, bro, it was an every day, every week thing, man. Like, that one time I missed about Texas, bro, they had a meet, like, you have a meet 3 times a week, and then you have a meet, like, that always happen every Saturday, you know what I'm saying? man. He be working a lot. I gotta get him on the video, man. We just ride, man. He gotta challenge this cat, man. More crazy. That more loud, boy. What's going on with these trucks? That boy better get in the right lane. That's where we going. See that white thing up there, man. I'm gonna clean. But TJ just be screaming, boy. That boy be screaming. What are you niggas ride? Slow your roll, slow your roll. I be telling for man, RT is not that bad. These boys riding like I'm behind them, and these boys, I'm trying to keep up. Like it's just like, you know what I'm saying? It's what everybody think that's popular, man. Ain't nothing wrong with an RT, man. If you got an RT brain, nothing wrong with it, bro. Like RT is one of the funnest cars. The funnest cars you can get for what you pay for, bro. Like I'm not even like, you know what I'm saying, trying to boast or nothing. Like, bro, they really is some of the. Dang, I'm trying to catch up with these boys. Hold on, man. I'm trying to get it caught, and these boys sliding. But yeah, they. Everybody get something dead to the whip, man. Everybody get something dead to the whip, man. I gotta go ahead, you know, get it right, man. These boys ain't playing with me, though. These boys not playing. But yeah, man, I'm turning the camera back on when we get to the shop, though, man. Nice little vlog for y'all, man. I'll be back. Peace. Turn it right, yeah. Yeah, man. You're gonna go ahead and get that thing. Now you can look up on your car, man. You ain't never look up on it for real.
Tell everybody that,
Bro, tell you, it be so much stuff you'll find out that broke. You don't know that broke, bro. You might have a rod that about to fall off. Whole rod finna come out your car, you ain't know it. Ooh. Know what I'm saying? Do look like glass. 5 is 2.
I'm about to go like 2 something. I'm on paying that.
Yeah, man. Go ahead and cut them off of there. Watch it, bro. It don't really take no time, bro. For real, boy. But y'all just be screaming, boy. Oh, like this man just be screaming. That nigga just be screaming. A track, yeah. See, I had mine to equal. I'm trying to get my mouth for gallon back up. My junk went stupid. My tongue.
Man, I'm scared.
You scared? What you scared of?
Bro, how you gonna sound?
Bro, he gonna, man, I'm telling he gonna, bro, listen, don't tell him this how he gonna do, look. He gonna be just like you. We gonna like, okay, it sounds good. It gotta go louder now. He said he was gonna put a whole course of, bro. Like, you might well do me and you gonna do it.
Bro, I would have never done it my cat, but he didn't tell me like that.
I'm telling you, bro, that junk, bro. But this ain't gonna be like that kind of loud though. Like his gonna like be screaming. Yeah.
Your shit something else.
Yeah, his just.
Bro, yo, goddamn. I slowed down before you had me. That bitch.
No, you gotta hear when that nigga be going up a hill, but that's gonna be stupid. That be.
I'm putting in trap, so I know the got.
Oh yeah, but we need to have.
Well, it backfired yesterday.
Yeah, Charles, you can charge him.
Yeah, I got taser. I was thinking about giving you one, so I got. Bro, you should, bro. You should.
That taser fine. It's like it's basically like a tune, basically. A transmission tune. It's a transmission tune.
You really should, though.
He got hit for us.
You got eco in yours? Like, did it come? Yeah.
He got the what's that thing called, y'all? That nigga so lame. But we'll leave it. Dang, what's that junk called? He got the little road track button, the track button, like you can change the
super track pack.
Yeah, he got the super track pad
yeah.
thing.
Oh yeah, like
well, you can change like the track mode for the transmission like that.
He said I need a 2.5 bullet.
Yeah, 2.5 pipe. You got 2.5. Mine 3. The scat come with 3. I thought yours. I ain't know that. I thought they all came with the same one. Cause you got the same exhaust cylinder, but your pipe size.
No, I think about everybody. I saw online they're gonna scat.
I ain't think about it like that either. I forgot that RT come with what you call it? We got that work truck. You gonna keep your muffler, your mid muffler?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I kept mine. Mine's sitting there. Mine's so brand new. You can eat off the muffler. It's so new, boy. I'm new. It still got the writing on it. You get Jayla trying to be a YouTuber. Yeah. You did. I ain't gonna. But no, the funny thing. Somebody hit him with the drum roll. Oh, I was gonna say I ain't even hit it. See, it still got, you know what I'm saying? Still a little mellow. Sound good, though. Yeah. How you feel, bro? How it sound? Yeah, I know it do. Yeah, you gotta hit that. You gotta hit that gas, bro. You gotta hit that gas one time. Jayla gonna drive it now with this, ain't that right? Yeah. For real, I ain't gonna lie. Only thing I be scared about with girl be doing, bro, you know how they park like nose first and they get close to the curb and they forget how low the car seat, bro. Bro, I think somebody like how what's that cold cycle sounds so good. Them all going I gotta get my tips, bro. I definitely ain't buying nothing. I just bought that camera. That camera was a car note. Felt like it. Those stripes do look good. I like a whole nother car, bro. You put a stripe on it. I might not even get it right. I might just put the stripes on mine. I want to. I talked to her. He trying to get me to do a whole one. Man, pat that gas, nigga. I thought he opened the trunk. Okay. A little something light. Some slight. It's all good though, man. Dang, a fat old budget when he
fat ass wants to fly on my coach.
Oh, hey, man. My boy got that muffler delete, man. He back there, man. I don't know if y'all can see him. He finally got it, man. Y'all had to beg him, dog. Beg this man, bro, to get that deal. I had to beg him, but you know what I'm saying? He was stubborn. You know? He didn't want to listen. He didn't want to listen to the real. But nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, man, he finally got that mud dead, man. I'm happy, man. I'm ready to see how that mud sound on the highway, though. You know what I'm saying? He ain't really hit it for real at the shop. So I'm gonna have to let y'all boys and girls, you know what I'm saying, hit that thing on the highway, man. That when it really gonna just, and then when it settle in, you know, with exhaust, man, folks don't know, like, it take time for it to settle in for real. Like, it sound like that now, but when that metal start to bend and get hot, and that welding seal all the way up, that mother gonna sound, it's gonna sound a little bit deeper than normal. This mother hard. This mother hard, boy.
What's up, man?
I like that, man. I had to get it on camera. I like that color, man.
Y'all got cussed up?
Nah, man. We're trying to get one. Hey, man, boy. He said, trying to remember what he said. Fat man, money game, something like that. That mother clean, though, boy. That mother clean. I like that. I like that paint job. You know what I'm saying? That was paint, see. Normal people get it right. I think that paint. It looked like it. But, you know what I'm saying? We out here rolling, man. Rolling. Whatever like that. So, yep. I'll turn the camera on, you know what I'm saying? We're on the highway. I know that nigga smiling ear to ear, boy. I know he's smiling, but that boy sound good, boy. you gotta have at least 3. So they cool with 2, but you gotta have 3 sometime, bro. That make it, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, man. My boy Miller Time, man. That need to be his name, bro. He need to do a YouTube. He playing. Miller Time, bro. I'm telling you. My boy Charles, man, aka Miller Time, man, you know what I'm saying? Got that. Ooh, boy, that boy sound good, bro. Them tips make a difference too, though. He got them 5-inch carbon tips, you know what I'm saying? They make a difference. He can't tell me he ain't satisfied. I know he is, bro. I know he is, boy. That boy sound good. That boy sound too good, no cap. I hate that sun kind of messing up the view, man. Let's see, yeah, that's a little better. I hate the sun trying to mess up the view, but yeah, man, that's gonna be that probably gonna be a wrap for this video, man. You know what I'm saying? Had to get a little content with my boys, man. You know that I love it, man, bro. I finally get to, you know what I'm saying, cruise a little bit every now and then. You know what I'm saying? We gotta link up and go to some events, though. That's what we really gotta do, man. We gotta go to some events, man. But hey, man, but I make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to this video, man. On the road to 1K, man. Let your boy get there. I done passed 500. We gotta go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get with it, man. Like I said at the end of my video, man, any kind of goal, any kind of accomplishment, or any kind of accolade, man, you're trying to do in your life, man, you know, you roll the window up, you know what I'm saying? Any kind of accolade you're trying to do in your life, man, anything like that, bro, you can do it. Keep that faith, stay strong, man. Anytime you have a setback, man, just stay strong, man. Keep that faith, man. Keep that positivity. Sometimes it's hard, but you know what I'm saying? If you live to see another day, man, that's something to be happy about, you feel me? So just another wise word from your boy. And like I also said in my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.